Hello, welcome to the Text Tech. In the previous video, we have discussed arithmetic operation with non-decimal values. What happens if we receive decimal values for our operations? So to do that, I will create a new class. Let's say its class name is part 3 and create a main method also, then click finish. There's a data type in Java which supports decimal numbers. It's called double data type. So let's declare two variables as previous video. Double x equals 20.5. In the double data type, it supports decimal numbers. So we can use uh, data with decimal numbers. Double y equals 10.35. So we can do for arithmetic operations using these two variables. Let's do that. Double sum equals x plus y. Double subtraction equals x minus y. Double multiplication equals x multiplied by y. Then finally double division equals x divided by y, like that. Then we can print these four variables. S out, control space, sum, within inverted comma, sum equals plus sum. Subtraction equals sub. Then multiplication equals multi. Finally, division equals plus d. So let's run this application. Here you can see the result was given in decimal numbers. Please use double data type when you are dealing with decimal numbers. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.